Welcome to the Swedish Maker. Today I'm going to show you 5 woodworking tips and tricks that I find useful. So sometimes when hanging a cabinet you find yourself with these types of holes where you're supposed to put 2 screws on the wall and hang this, and it's really hard to drill the holes. I don't know how many times I've done it wrong. So this is a tip how to align this perfectly on the wall. Get a piece of tape, put it across over the holes and align it with the top. Get out your favorite pen, find the holes and mark them like this. Remove the tape from the cabinet. Use something to get a line on the wall and put the tape on the wall. And there you have it. Now you can just drill the holes and you know that will fit perfectly with the cabinet. Tip number 2 is about small nails, and sometimes it can be really hard to punch them down because my fingers are actually bigger than the nail. So for this tip I'm going to use a clothing pin. And you grab the nail with the clothing pin and then you just punch it down. And then you can remove the clothing pin and punch the nail down. When you're gluing pieces together, sometimes they tend to slide like this, and for that we're going to use salt. Get the glue on like you normally do. Now get some salt, just sprinkle it over. Put the 2 pieces together, clamp them down and push them together. When you're cutting angle pieces, you want to glue them together. Save the offcuts, glue some sandpaper onto the offcuts and use them to clamp the angled pieces together. I did this with my desk recently and it worked really good. Tip number 5. Sometimes you want to sand really intricate parts or holes in stuff and it's really hard. And you can do like this. I wrapped sandpaper around a bolt and then I inserted the bolt in the drill. Alright, that's it for this week. I really hope you liked it. Please subscribe if you haven't and hit the thumbs up. And if you have any woodworking tips, please leave a comment down below because I'd love to learn more about them. See you next week. Bye.